Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have something different for this video. As many of you guys know, this month I had my birthday. I'm organizing all these giveaway for you guys, but I actually got something which truly touched my heart and I wanted to share it with you all. So let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So I received this parcel sometime back from the owner of My Passion for Craft box, and I thought it might be their September edition box, but when I opened it, I was just awestruck. So let me show you to you guys first. So this came in a normal plastic cover, and even the box is packaged in a way that you don't have to tear off the gift wrapping. It's closed from one end, but this end it's packaged in a way that you can actually open like this. And then inside we had a small box here. So this says enjoy every moment of life, and it's a very cute simple box made out of chart paper, and inside it was this, and it's so cute and so pretty. It says my name Sonam on it. It's actually a paperweight. It's actually a stone, and she has painted on it. She has written my name and she has added this flower. It looks so cute and I really love it, guys. It's so nice to get such a customized, personalized gift which somebody has put so much of work into. I was very happy to receive this, and if that was not enough, this is what I got. So this is how it is. It is a wooden box, a wood kind of material, and it's very sturdy. It says happy birthday on it. It has these pearls and these flowers on it. It looks very pretty, and I thought it is a box, but that's not it, guys. It is so much more than a simple box. Let me open it and show you. So first, when I open it, there is a very nice, floral pattern here. It's like a bouquet of flowers, and there's a picture of mine. And then even this has so much inside it. At first it says make a wish, and when you lift it, it has more pictures of me. It says birthday girl, and here there are some additions, like she had made these things. It looks so nice the way she has created these things. It's so perfect, and the finishing of everything is so good. I love the way she has made it. And it doesn't finish here. There's one more here, and here there is a small note that says stay blessed, and it's so cute. And just look at how beautiful it looks. I mean, this is such a stunning piece. And there is this picture with heartbeat going on, because this is a picture from my post-wedding shoot. And there is this candy here, very cute. And when you open this, there's again a picture of me. Then there's this which says may you have all the joy your heart can hold, and you have to pull this, and there's a picture again which is one of my recent pictures. It was on Instagram, and this is the last picture. This was again from my previous trip to Mysore and Coorg. So I have written on the story that time to get ready, and she has mentioned for party because it was my birthday. And I am so awestruck by this, guys. Just look at how amazing this looks. I mean, this is so beautiful and so nice. Such amazing finishing and such creativity, so nicely made. She has collected all these pictures from my Insta profile and different social media handles, and it was truly one of the best gifts I received this year. I personally love handcrafted gifts. I know how much time it takes to make something like this, and I could not have imagined someone I have never even met putting so much of effort for my birthday. She did not ask me to do a video on it or anything like that. It was just a gift for me, but I was so touched. I had to do a video on this. And even I had to thank you all. I received so many lovely wishes from all of you throughout this month on Instagram DMs and on the comment section of YouTube and on Facebook. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for giving me so much love throughout this month. It means so much to me. I cannot even tell you guys. And thank you so much, Sanjoli, for this amazing gift. I am going to treasure this in my life forever. Wherever I go, wherever I stay, this is definitely going to be with me. This is a part of my life because this is wonderful. And I want to clarify again, guys, this is not the subscription box or September edition of Passionate Craft box. But if you want to give to your loved one something like this any month of the year, in fact, I think she would be happy to do that for you. All you need to do is send some pictures and the address of the birthday boy or the birthday girl. I'm not aware of the pricing because it was a gift to me. And for me, it's a gift which is beyond money. I cannot put a price tag on this. But if you want something like this customized for you, then DM her on her Instagram. I'm leaving a link to her page in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And don't forget to participate in the birthday giveaways. We have very few days remaining, so definitely do take part. There are 4 birthday giveaways with 5 winners, and there are amazing gifts to be won. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.